Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on biodiversity, and this was prepared by the Disrupt Tutoring team. So let's jump in. List and describe the different types of biodiversity. So we have three types of biodiversity, and the first one is genetic diversity. And genetic diversity refers to the variety and variation of genes within a species. Okay. The next one we have is species diversity. And species diversity refers to the number of different species within a particular area. And the last type of biodiversity we have is ecosystem diversity, and this refers to the interaction that occurs within an ecosystem. An ecosystem in an ecosystem or between ecosystems. Right, now you know the three types of biodiversity. Before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. Or for more epic videos, check out our website. Just a shout out to our sponsor. You can find all of their details and ours down in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.